We're in Lithuania, checking in at Corner Hotel in Vilnius. We were in Vilnius last week and now back again for the same reason. I have an appointment with the dentist. If everything goes well, I'll have the permanent crown on my dental implant tomorrow. We'll be staying here only for one night and we're flying back to Norway tomorrow. Corner Hotel is a budget hotel near Old Town Vilnius. We paid 60 euros for one night stay. That's inclusive of breakfast and city tax, which is €1 per person per night. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. I've already taken my shower. It's so nice. I think it rained last night. Are we gonna go down and eat breakfast first? We're here at Corner Hotel in Vilnius, Lithuania. We're always in Lithuania. So let's go down and eat breakfast. Yes, my love. But we got a room with breakfast already, so we save money. Breakfast here is very good. So it's time to check out. Goodbye. We had a very good breakfast. I'm so full. Bye. Let's order.